I would like, in fact, Adam Makagomanalaki receive a letter that our National President, Honorable National President JP Nadda ji, has given me maybe the Vice President for the second time, and I thank him very much for the reposing faith in me. As a Vice President, it's a very responsible job. And also, I would like to thank our President of Bharatiya Janata Party, Goa President, Mr. Damodar Naik, for having the confidence in me and making me once again the Vice President of Bharatiya Janata Party, Goa. And also, our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, for having the faith. And this is where it's important to know that giving this position is one thing, but working for the party, which I've been doing it for the last 10 years, and working very sincerely with loyalty. So that's the reason today, in fact, the next term, we have to ensure that we make it possible to work very hard and ensure that the Bharatiya Janata Party, once again, 2027, we work, all of us work together, all the responsible who are given resource position work together. And ensure that once again in 2027 we form the government under Bharatiya Janata Party and ensure that keeping the flag flying of our National President, of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and of course our Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. Already 3 वर्ष झाली आसा आणि we are making every effort as far as party organization is one factor of it, where party organization is very strong in Aldona constituency. केन्ना कितें वेगळे वेगळे कार्यक्रम आसतकच आमचे सगळे भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे कार्यकर्ते, प्रमुख कार्यकर्ते, आमच्या मंडळाचे सगळे, आतां आमचो नवीन मंडळ जालो आसा आमचो रणजीत उजवाकर, आनी ताचे बरोबर आमचे पयले माजी अध्यक्ष आसा, तशेंच आमचो बाब फ्रँकी कारवालो, आनी सगळे वांगडी आमचे GS जनरल सेक्रेटरी सकल मालवणकर, आमचे मनीषा नायक, सगळे ZP धरून आमचे वेगवेगळे कार्यक्रम एकदम सक्सेसफूल झाले आसा. ती एक गजाल. पूण दुसरी गजाल इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट दॅट आमी आतां लोकांशी पावपाक जाय, आमी लोकांशी कॉन्टॅक्ट दवरले आसा. त्या खातीर म्हज्या कंटिन्युअस कॉन्टॅक्ट, माय पर्सनल कॉन्टॅक्ट इज देर विथ ऑल द पीपल, विथ ऑल द कम्युनिटीज, अँड एन्शुरिंग दॅट once again that Bharatiya Janata Party in 2027 gets, Aldona is, gets the Bharatiya Janata candidate, wins the elections, and we are confident the way the things are going on, and what the people are talking. Like लोक कितें सांगतात, आमी सगळे भोंवतात, सगळे फंक्शनाक आमच्या टेंपलान वतात, चर्चीन आसता, लोक सांगतात सर ह्या फावटी आमी फुडल्या इलेक्शन परत तूं आमकां जाय, and त्या खातीर लोकांनी आमकां एक्टीव दवरला आसा, and I am doing everything possible to ensure that our Aldona constituency, which is one of the beautiful constituency, which is world recognized today, is taken in the last 3 years is not the same what it was for the last 10 years when I was there as a MLA, and because of the youth, because of our Mahilas, because of senior citizens, and all the schemes given by the government, which we are ensuring each and every of our schemes are given to all the people. So scheme and for that even my office is open in Mapsa at Komskaga building. My office has been continuously open from day one. Canada born Corona, and a lot of people are coming there. I myself sit there every Tuesday from 11:30 to 1 o'clock. Even otherwise, I'm in contact with all the people and ensuring that once again the Bharatiya Janata Party in 2027 that we win back the seat and give all the support to Honorable Chief Minister and our President, Mr. Damodar Naik, and of course our National President JP Nadda ji.